Hey y'all, what's good, what's Gucci, and today I have a blue tongue because I'm drinking a Slurpee. Happy Friday today. Anyways, a happy Friday today. Today I decided to do a slime update. So, excuse me. Ew. Excuse me. Ew. So, I have some really bad lighting. Not really freaky. Oh, crap. Good. So, I have really bad lighting. That's good, I guess. Not really. So, let me slimes. So, my first one is the one that I made in a couple videos ago, probably. So that is that. It's a white thing. It's a white slime. Do you guys hear this? I'm gonna go to your speaker thing. If you didn't hear that, it was like a little foamy sound. Like bubbles. Like, you know when you pop bubbles? Like there's an extra little sound. Like a foamy sound. That's that. That's what it sounds like. So, I'm gonna take it out of the container. I need to be a little quiet because my grandma's trying to sleep. Kinda not. Magic in me. I told you guys that I didn't have the best lighting or the best slime. So that is my slime that I made a couple videos ago. This is Emma's slime. She probably won't let me keep, but that's okay. Because we can always make slime at her house or my house once I get more ingredients. Tell me if you see any hair in this, because I told you in a couple videos ago that I would take all the hair out. Haven't done that yet. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna fall off this bed. Wait, hold on. Let me clear my area. Container out of the way, slime out of the way, phone out of the way. Still gonna fall off the bed, but you know what? Who cares? So let me tell you something, guys. Did you do the intro today? Yeah, whatever. I don't care. I'll do the outro then. I forgot if I did the intro. I doubt that I did. But if I didn't, then here you guys go. Hey y'all, what's good? What's Gucci? And today it's a new video. So that is the intro. You're welcome. I really love this slime. Hopefully we make slime on our next sleepover or play date. Who knows? And I will vlog that. Hold on, wait. Let me get more good lighting, so I'll be right back. I'm not prepared for this. Here, I'll bring you guys with me for the fall. Crap, that's gonna be hard because I'm vlogging. Video. Break. Okay, here I am. I'm dying to my death. I'm trying to stay at the exact same. Sorry guys, if I gave you kind of dizziness. I fell off my bed. Better lighting, better lighting. Hey! Where's lighting? Anyways. That's scary. Okay. So, that's that. Oh my god. Legit, like, bad lighting. Okay. Do you guys want me to tell you a story? Me and my friend Amelia, we almost got in trouble. But we almost died. Fun. But anyways, here's the story. It was only supposed to be like a slime update, but I'm going to put slime update / story time. How I almost died. You know what? I'm going to do that right now. Once this uploads. While it's uploading, I'm going to make a new video. And I'm going to call that story time with Yuri. Because that will be my first story time. Oh, God. Fun times. Well, that I actually like a long story, I guess. So, I will do... And yes, I will be playing with slime while I'm doing the story, so... Imagine me. Oh, and also, I'm joining choir. Well, I'm going to try out for choir, at least. I'm probably just going to do choir, no sports, because I'm not into sports. But on Mondays, here's my schedule. Oh, woo. So, I might not be posting. I will probably only be posting Wednesday, or Friday, sorry. Redo. Sorry, I will only probably be posting on the weekends, which is, I consider Friday a weekend. But if you don't, it's okay too. It typically is a, oh my god, is that a cat here? No, it's my hair because it's very long. Anyways. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, so I'm going to be posting Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, probably, if I have any ideas for videos. So I'll probably be doing that. But if I have any free time, doubt it. I'll be posting probably in the week. And the only days that I won't be posting is probably Mondays, maybe Tuesdays, maybe even Wednesdays. But sometimes even Saturdays I won't even post. But normally it will be Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So stay tuned for that. Somebody coming out of the room. Just ignore all the background noises. Oh my god, I forget all this slime. Shout out to Emma and Amelia. Thanks. Emma, question. If you're watching this, doubt it, but can comment down below if Amelia or Emma is watching this. Please comment down below that you're watching this so I know that you guys actually still watch my videos. Because I don't think a lot of people watch my videos anymore. I think people are subscribed and they don't even freaking watch my videos. Sad. But anyways, this is a 9-minute long video, so I should really stop. Anyways, shout out to them. And question for you, Emma. Can I keep this slime? I really, really want to keep this slime. For for a day, I was like, should I keep it? Should I not? And then for a day, I was like, no, I shouldn't keep it because I don't really like it anymore. But now that I actually start playing with it, I freaking love it. Yeah, so that will be coming. Oh, woo. So I want to do my intro, or my outro. Let me just cap the slime. I'm keeping it out because I'm going to do my freaking video. Again, so I'm not falling off the bed this time. Oh. So, my life is a mess. So, remember to subscribe, like, and turn on that notification bell. And leave a nice and friendly comment. And leave a